What up, everybody? I'm very excited about tomorrow. Tomorrow's my sister is getting married. Congratulations, sis. And so, to celebrate early, I'm going to open something. And I got the 2009 Upper Deck Basketball Box reduced. So let's find out what we get. Star Rookie of Dante Cunningham. And now I'm sharing Kobe. Very nice. Star Rookie of AJ Price. And Marto of Daryl Duncan. Jordan Legacy. Star Rookie of DeMar Carl. A Courtney Yee masterpiece. Star Rookie of Terrence Wynnum. A Star Rookie of Tyler Hansbrough. A Star Rookie of Marcus Thornton. And a 3D Star of Michael Redd. And Richard Jefferson. A Star Rookie of Ty Gibson. Immortal Patrick Ewing. Jordan Legacy. That's a hit. I'm going to save it as us. star rookie of Tony Douglas. And a star rookie of DeMar DeCarlo. Two-star rookie of Jrue Holiday. And now I'm pairing of Dirk Nowitzki. Star rookie of Jeff Pettigrew, and Immortal of Scottie Pippen, Jordan Legacy, now the hits. The star rookie of Juan Ware, and on Swallow the hit. And this Tyrese Thomas and Jerry Hughes dual jersey. It's not numbered. So that's the hit. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.